Are you a HubSpot CRM user? Do you find yourself constantly switching apps? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through how you can call directly from HubSpot. Integrate KrispCall with your phone system to simplify tasks for customer-facing teams. KrispCall's system efficiently logs all necessary information in HubSpot, bringing calls, call notes, and tags in one place. Here's everything you need to know about your customer, ensuring that before you receive or dial a number, you have all the contact details necessary for a smarter conversation. Keep track of deal progress to speed up closures and maintain customer satisfaction. With the ability to place calls directly from HubSpot by clicking on phone numbers, you can streamline calling, note-taking, and two-way contact syncing with automatic call logging, all within your HubSpot CRM. No more spending hours switching screens. Make sales easier for your sales teams with KrispCall HubSpot integration. Contact our chat support for more information.